Tiga Marion Getheji mwena wa atumia angĩ marainukirie ngumo ya guthaka wega ni Grace na Siriani wa kirabu kia Birarũ cia Rĩera-inĩ na Elizabeth Njau wa kirabu kia golf kia Royal Nairobi.
I'm lost for words. This is the first time playing here.
Mwena wa arume Dr. Kipkurui Rangat na Erastus Orina nio maratugirwo na ngoga cia athaki ega. Mbĩtĩka cia ira iratirihire macindano maya maria kambuni ya Safaricom yarugũririe mweri-inĩ wa Januari mwaka ũyũ. Mbĩtĩka ici igĩtwarwo iharo-inĩ 14 cia ngobu arĩ hamwe na Nanyuki, Limuru, Muthaiga, Machakos, Eldoret na Nakuru.
We've been to 14 events across the country, not just in Nairobi, but across the whole country. So delighted that we want to demystify golf. We want to attract golf at an early age, so juniors is a very important one, attracting ladies into golf. So that's the reason why we came to sponsor golf.
Women golf in the country right now, I think it's getting much better because we're having so much support unlike before. So I think in the near future we're gonna have more than 2 pros because currently we just have 2 lady professionals. So I think the way we are going with all the sponsorships, we're gonna have more than 2 pros.
Athaki ngiri kenda miaka itiganite a muthako wa golf ni maranyitire itemi mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici cia mĩeri 8.
So far we've interested 9,000 participants across all the 14 events that we held, of which about 6,000 were juniors, including the outreach program. Up to 3,000 engaged through the outreach program, which is either schools or local kids who want to be taught how about golf.
Anyiti itemi mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici maugĩte mũbango ũyũ nĩ ũteithĩtie gũkũũrana iheo na taranda cia athaki a golfu kuma kona ngũrani cia bũrũri na ikĩro itiganĩte kũrĩ andũ ethĩ matakinyĩtie mĩaka 18 maranyitire itemi.
We've partnered with the junior golf in this country. We want to ensure that going forward we have juniors participating in big events like Kenya Open.
Gĩkundi kĩa Junior Golf Foundation nĩ gĩgũtabania thikũ 3 cia mathomo ma golf rungu rwa ũnyitanĩri na gĩkundi gĩa kuma America kĩa America Kids Golf Foundation.
And so going forward we hope that the level of interest we are creating and in partnership with others we can be able to evolve golf in a way that allows by the time kids are 18 they are winning competitions across the world.
I'm very grateful to Vipingo Ridge, my sponsors, for the opportunities and the ways they've opened for me.
To Safaricom, thank you so much for this initiative. Thank you so much for the support. And I truly believe every shot is an opportunity. Thank you.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Helen Maina.
Big round of applause for the winner. Overall winner, Safaricom Golf Tour.